how to add a table onto your Wix website. So from the home page of Wix here, I've just clicked on Edit Site, which has taken me to the Wix website editor. Now right here from the left hand side, we want to click on Add Elements, which is the first option. Then go to List and choose the very last option, which is Tables. So from the Tables tab, we can choose the type of table which we want to add onto our Wix website and just drag and drop it onto the website. So here, once we have the table added, we can manage the table and we can change the different tabs which our table comes with. So for this table, we can change the profile picture field here, and we can rearrange them as well. As you can see, as soon as I move them, they take a different slot here. Now, if we want to edit any of those field names, we will just click on the three dots and we will edit them as I've just shown you. For example, test. And if I click on done here, it will show me that this changes candidate data. Now we can also do the same for all of the different columns here, or we can add our own custom column, which we will have to title and type a field name for and choose what type of column it will be, whether it's going to be a plain text column, an image column, a number column, an answer column, date, or rich text. So that's how you add tables onto your Wix website. I hope this helps you out. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.